Welcome everyone to today's Smart Educator to Educator webinar series. My name is Jeremy Adney. I manage software for SMART in North America. I'm joined today by a few colleagues that we'll introduce in a couple moments. But welcome to the webinar. We do this webinar series every other Thursday, so twice a month, and we try to bring some educators that we just have gotten a chance to meet who do excellent things inside of their classroom, and we invite them to just share learnings of different ways in which they support students with technology and adoption in their classroom. Today's presenter is Dana Gropper from Liberty Central School District, Tricks for Emotional and Social Learning in the Classroom.
So my name is Dana Gropper. I am from the Liberty Central School District, which is up in the Catskill region. Our claim to fame up there is that if you all know Dirty Dancing, it's about that region of New York State. So it's a pretty small district. We have about 1,750 kids in the district with around 250 staff, teachers and staff. I'm 9 years in education. I have an MS in general and special education and license from K to 12 in New York State. Formerly, I was a middle school math and special education teacher, amongst many other things, including working with teachers and coaching teachers in regards to incorporating and including technology in their classroom. And becoming a SMART Exemplary Educator is actually what first started me. It should not say stop me on the path, but started me on the path to my current employment as doing tech integration for K through 12 within my district. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off the presentation today with some of our goals. Mainly, we're going to define social emotional learning, discuss what emotional and social learning looks like in different grade levels and environments, including I'm very lucky in working in a one-to-one environment with iPads in our district from K to 12. But I know that there are districts out there that are not even close to as lucky as I am and may not even have any devices in their classroom. So throwing out some ideas for you guys as well, and discover different examples of incorporating emotional and social learning into the classroom using Smart Notebook. So what is social and emotional learning? Well, defined by the Collaborative for Academic, Social, and Emotional Learning, it is the process through which children and adults acquire and effectively apply the knowledge, attitudes, and skills necessary to understand and manage emotions, set and achieve positive goals, feel and show empathy for others, establish and maintain positive relationships, and make responsible decisions. Now, this is something that has become a new topic, exciting topic, one of those buzz phrases and words we seem to be hearing in education these days. And, seemingly some of the pushback is, we've been in an education system for so long in the United States. Why all of a sudden do we feel it is, important to be addressing the needs of the social and emotional learning? I think it's always been addressed, but I think now we're just labeling it and saying that, it's another concept that we need to address in our classrooms. So just to put a visual to the social and emotional learning, the 5 aspects of it are self-awareness, self-management. Obviously, the orange is looking at the self. The greens look at social awareness and relationship skills, so those external forces. And the responsible decision-making is a combination of the self and the social, so a combination of bringing in the external and the internal. And this goes not just in our local settings, it also goes beyond the classroom and outside into the world. So we really want to make our students be not just proper individuals in the classroom, we also want to see them excel in the world outside of the classroom.